Hello, welcome to Testenium. Testenium is an online testing platform for testing your software or websites without having to install any testing tools or programming language compilers in your computer. Testenium supports behavior-driven development, test-driven development, and Selenium testing frameworks with 100% online database. I'm going to show you how you can create test suite for Selenium test cases and run it with Testenium. I'm going to log into my account on Testenium now. Then I'm selecting Selenium option. Now you can see a table on the left hand side which shows the previous test cases, and on the right hand side there's a new project template where you can provide the details for your project. I'm going to show you how we are going to test two functionalities on two different test cases for BBC website. So I'm putting the test case title as BBC test, and the project description I'm going to say test suite. Then I'm choosing the test language, which is Java with the JUnit test framework. Then there's a class option here, add class button. To add new class, you can add as many as classes that you want for your project. So I'm going to click that add class button, and then you can see a small window drop down, and then I'm going to copy some code from an existing project on an editor which is also available on Testenium. Now I'm selecting the test case 1 in this project. The test case 1 is to test the BBC radio link. Now I have copied the code. You can see that's a URL BBC, and below I have implemented test command driver.findElement by.link text radio.click. So now I'm going to save this class and compile it. So when you click the save class button, it will save it and compile it automatically. Now I'm going to add the second class, which is the test case for your test suite. I'll go back to the editor and then select the second test case. So in the second test case, I'm going to have a different test command for BBC website, which is to test news link. I'm copying that and pasting it to the editor window under the add class button. Now you can see here the base URL is again BBC, and the test command I put driver.findElement by.link text news.click. So like that, you can have any number of test commands with a Selenium wait or WebDriver wait. Now I'm going to save this and compile it. Now the second test case is saved and compiled successfully. Then I'm going to create a test suite. So I have the test suite created in my previous project. I'm going to show that. Now this is your test suite project, which consists of two test cases. You can see test case 1.class, test case 2.class. So both test case 1 and 2 were compiled successfully, and the class files were available or are available in the Testenium platform at the moment. So this is the test suite. I'm going to copy this and paste it in a third class window here. Again, I'm going to save and compile it. It is saved and compiled successfully. Now the last one is your test runner. The test runner I just named as test1.java, but you can name as you want. The test runner is going to run your test. The test runner should go in this box here below, not in the add class button option. So we just paste it here. Now you can see the test runner will be executing your test suite with the name JUnit test suite dot class, so which has been already compiled and it is available in your project. So now your test project is ready to run. So this will take a while to complete because we have two different test cases in a project. Now your test run is being executed by the testenium platform. So just wait and see the result. Yeah, successfully passed. So that shows that both the test cases passed and your test suite is successfully executed by the runner. Thank you for watching this video. In the next session, I'm going to show how you can create data-driven testing using Selenium, and also you can create number of test cases and put together into a test suite. Thank you again. Bye.